Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to sign up for Cake Wallet. In order to get started and create a new account for Cake Wallet, the process is quite straightforward. First of all, go to your App Store or your Play Store and search for Cake Wallet in the search box. Once you make a search for the application, make sure to download this application. Once the download is completed, tap on Open to open the Cake Wallet application on your device. Go through the terms and conditions of Cake Wallet and tap on the Agree box at the bottom. Now tap Accept in order to end up in the new page where you can easily create a new wallet. If you are a new user, you likely have the option to create a new wallet. Tap on the Create New Wallet button and enter a PIN you would like to set up. After entering the 4-digit PIN, enter it again on the next page and you have successfully set up a PIN for your wallet. Tap OK and choose the wallet currency from the options and tap Next. On the next page, give your wallet a name and tap on Next. On the next page, you will see a series of 24 words secret phrases. Make sure that you keep your phrases. This will be your unique and private seed, and it is the only way to recover your wallet in case of loss or malfunction. So make sure to write down the secret phrases in a piece of paper. On the next page, tap on this I understand button at the bottom and you will be able to see the set of 24 words secret phrases displayed on the screen. Make sure to save the secret phrases in a secured folder by tapping on the Save button. Now paste it in a secure folder. If you want to copy it and paste it in somewhere else safe, tap on the copy button directly and make sure to keep a copy of it in a secured folder. Now once you are done keeping the backup, tap on Next at the top right and tap on Yes. And you have successfully created a Cake Wallet account. You can get started familiarizing yourself with the features of Cake Wallet, including sending and receiving Monero or any other crypto that you've selected, and any additional functionalities the wallet may offer. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.